Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And tonight I come to you with this doll for the very last time, unless I'm changing her or doing something with her. Why I brought her back out is I just want to tell you that I put on her original body. You can see it here. And the other thing is that Betty Boop made a comment. She's a subscriber on my channel, and she left a comment that saying that this baby could be from the Horseman Company, the Baby Precious. That's her name. And I looked it up and it sure does look like her. So thank you, Betty Boop, for that, for the heads up on her name. Now, I'm working on the other doll that came with her. That's my next project that I'm working on. And she's in the process of being restored right now. So we'll put her down and I'll show you some other dolls that I just acquired in the last little while here. All right. A lady came over that I worked with many years ago. She's retired just like I am. She retired way before I did. And she knew that I was collecting dolls and restoring them. And so she brought some dolls over for me. So the first doll I'm going to show you is this doll right here. This is Topsy, made by the Reliable Doll Company in Canada here. I hope you can see that. I'm not sure if you are seeing that. But sometimes this camera, like many other cameras, like to focus on the background. So if I do this, sometimes you can see the Reliable name. Oh, it's trying to focus on it. Get some of that back. There we go. We're getting some of the name there. Anyways, she needs to have a good cleanup here. So something I'm going to work on. She's from the 1950s. Right down, her painted shoes are on her and everything else there. So very nice little doll. She doesn't move except her head. She's a doll that's going to have to stand. I really liked her because she's going to go in my black collection dolls. I don't have too many, so I'm always looking for them. And this is a nice one to add to my collection. The next doll that she gave me was these little dolls here. They are from Germany, and they're little dollhouse dolls. That's what I call them anyways. We'll go like this so you can see what's on the back of. There we go. Alright, they're from Germany, little dollhouse dolls. So there we go with that. Now, the other one here, I gotta see if I can find the baby. Oh, here it is. It dropped out. Alright, there we go. She gave me also this doll. Now, I have to fix the one leg on her, but she is a Prego doll. You put the baby inside the belly, close the belly up. These were popular a few years ago. But she's not the Barbie one, the actual Barbie, but she is in the Barbie line. And she's a knockoff to the Barbie one that came out that also was pregnant. So, or something like that anyways. I don't see it. It says CO on the back of her back. It looks like she did something. Maybe there was some noise that she made. Maybe I'll get some batteries and try it out and see what she did. So, but anyways, that's her. And I just got to take the peg out of her leg and reattach it to here, and I got the doll back again. Alright, so I have that. Now, the one beauty that she gave me also was this beautiful gal right here. She is in the Saucy Walker line. She is not a Saucy Walker. She's a wannabe. But she has no markings, but she's beautiful, well constructed. Very well constructed. And she's still walking. See her walk there? So she wants to walk. She has a bit of a, there we go, a bit of a squeak left to her. And a little bit of a crier left. But I need to put some eyelashes on her. Now, the lady told me that her mother painted her. And she did a very good job on her there. And I'm just going to do some blushing and some eyebrows, eyelashes. And she's ready to go. So, ready to go in my collection. And she was asking me what kind of hair she had. Do you think I could think of the word saran? It just was not coming to me. I mean, I can remember mohair when I was talking to her. I said, but this is not mohair. I can't remember the name. It's saran. So, Nancy, if you're watching, her hair is saran. But a very beautiful doll. I just love her. Great for my collection, these nice old walking dolls. Now, another doll that she gave me, not gave, but gave in my possession for right now, is to fix it up for her, is because her mother made this doll for her. And put it together and everything. It's one of these put together dolls, but it's just such a sweet little baby. I just love this little baby face here. And he is, I should say. And I took him out of his PJs because they're getting washed right now. And he's a boo-boo baby. He's got a boo-boo on him. And I'll show you what I mean by that. He's got a little piece of his ceramics missing here, his porcelain. So I'm going to see if I can fix that up with some Milliput and paint that up. Try to color that in. So let's see what we can do for him. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful little boy though. Oh, I put him in this little comfy sleeper right now. There he is. He just looks so beautiful. And he's such a cuddly little guy too. He's very soft. So anyways, what am I up to now? Well, after I'm jumping the gun. I got another doll to show. Back some time ago, this doll showed up on my doorstep just sitting. She's a big girl. She starts at the tips of her toes and she goes all the way up, 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 up to this big beautiful doll. Let me sit her down for you. There we go. I say she's from the 70s, just from the dress. Oops, I lost my camera. There we go. But there she is. Isn't she a gorgeous doll? Just a beautiful doll. I just love her face. Now, whoever put her on my doorstep paid $5 for her. And that's what it says on her tag on her wrist there. But I love her dress. I have another doll. My look-alike, Polly Ann doll from Unita. She came in a dress like this. It fits her beautifully. So the thing is that all I have to do is clean this girl up. Now, she came with only one shoe, but that's not a problem. I've got shoes here that I can put on these big feet here. And, you know, maybe I can match up this shoe. I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. I do have the shoes for her. But I love her hair. To me, she really just speaks 70s, 80s, maybe 80s, maybe. But she needs a spa day badly. And I need to get her ready with all my other dolls for Christmas. So there we go with that. I thought I'd show her to you. And I've had her for a while. So whoever it was that gave her to me, thank you very much if you do watch my channel. I also want to say thank you to everybody who gave me such beautiful comments about how well I restored my doll that I did there. Now, my next project after this doll, what am I jumping to? I'm going to make a jump into this big girl here. I dug her out. And it's time for her to be restored. And I want to show you the dress that she came with, that I left her in, I bought this doll years ago. Many, many years ago. And this is a baby Dimples. She's such a beautiful baby. I love this doll. There she is. Okay, she's the bent leg version. There's many different types. You can get swing legs, different swing legs on them. You can get swing legs that still are jointed, believe it or not. So she came in a variety of different styles. Straight legs and everything. So the thing is that I'm going to restore her after I get this other doll done. And this will be my next project right here. I've been wanting to work on a baby Dimples. It's been one of my things that it's been in the back of my head that I want to work on one of these. And here she is, ready to be restored. And ready to be restored. Yeah, she's ready. So all I have to do is finish this other one. But I want to take my time. You cannot rush restorations. They take their time. But she will be my next project. And I can't wait to get started on her. But she's a beautiful big baby. So this is where I'm at. This is what I'm doing. And you'll see some updates on the doll that I'm working on coming up. It won't be much longer, and I'll be showing you some things that I've done with her and where I'm at and whatnot. Right now she's just getting her head all filled up and getting she's missing a lot of compo, so I got to build in, no holes, but compo missing. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. More to come, like I say, and stay tuned, like I say, more on the horizon here. And we'll be moving on to this big girl here. Everybody have a great day today. It's a new day, so even though it's in the night, I'm making this video. The day is just starting. So have a great day, everybody, and we'll be talking to you again soon. Bye-bye.